guys, it's Wolf here, back with another video. Okay, so I've been taking a little bit of break on creating YouTube videos for cryptocurrencies because I'm launching a new business. So that's been basically my full focus. I'm launching a new business because I want to get more cash flow for the bear market. I want to buy more assets. Okay, and that's why I'm doing it. So anyway, I'm very bullish on cryptocurrencies. I love to see that the prices are going to go down because I want to buy more at the lower prices, right? So that's the whole point of bear market. The opportunity is huge because you can buy a lot of currencies for cheap. So in this video, I'm just going to look at what's happening right now on the markets, and I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. Okay, so we're going to look at some data. Okay, and by the way, my point of here is that what I'm doing personally is I'm buying cryptocurrencies for the next bull run. So I created this kind of the bear market millionaire where I explain my strategy. Okay, but basically and my investment thesis and stuff like that. I created that video a couple of days ago, and it's a new video, so check that out. Anyway, so what I'm doing is I'm buying for the next 12 months dollar cost averaging in the blue chip assets. Okay, and in the bear market millionaire I cover what the blue chip assets what the space is and why I believe it's huge and stuff like that. Anyway, so I'm buying these assets for cheap, and let me show you. So right now we had the bull run in 2021, right, and right now we are here. Okay, here. So what I believe that we are going to have boring lows, and in the next bull run we are going to just go way higher. So what I'm doing is, so this is basically from here. Okay, so we are buying, and I'm buying here, boom, 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 and then in the next bull run I'm going to sell for massive profits. And also I'm a long-term value investor, so some of the assets I'm just going to keep forever. Like, for example, one of the assets in my portfolio is Ethereum, so that's what I want to keep that forever. Because the biggest money is made when you buy something and you own it. So if you look at Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, they say that the best stocks that they can buy is that something that they don't have to sell forever. Because if you don't have to sell forever, that means that it's making you gains every year after year after year. So that's basically a dream, because then the money will compound. For example, if the let me show you here. So for example, Warren Buffett compounded money at 19.5% a year. Okay, so it goes like this. So first of all, you have, for example, let's say that you have $100. Okay, and then it compounds 19.5%, right? And then it's like 100 and what is $19.5. Then this compounds next year through this, and then it's going to be like 130 or something like that, or more. No, it's going to be more. Let's just put it's going to be 140. Okay, and then next year it's going to be like 180, and then it's going to be like 200 and 50 or something like that, and then it just compounds, and at some point it's going to be so huge, and when it compounds at 20%, you will make a couple of millions a year just by compounding the money. Okay, so that's long term. I explained that in depth in the I have a membership, like a premium membership, where I explain that the compounding. It's very key to understand. A lot of investors don't understand it because they don't, like new crypto investors, because they don't study the history. You have to study the history of investing. Like, I highly recommend you to. So a couple of books you need to read. Get The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, and get the Warren Buffett Snowball Effect. So snowball basically means the compounding process. Boom. Anyway, so with that being said, that's where I'm at. So right now we're going to look some crypto stats. So first thing I looked at today was crypto fees. So these are the fees that the protocols earn. Okay, so a couple of the bat here are Ethereum and Uniswap, and I only buy Uniswap. Is right now it's a governance token, right? But I still buy it because it's part of my portfolio, right? Because it's a leader in the space, all cash flow company, great management, great moat, great margin of safety right now, and the meaning is just it's a new way to transfer value without any middleman. It's incredible. So I'm buying it. So like you can see, it's earning tons of fees. Okay. So the third here we have GMX. So I actually bought this when it was so I bought this somewhere here. Okay. But I actually sold it because the way the GMX makes the money, makes these revenues, is when people lose money. So basically, it's a people can leverage trade on the platform, and then people who so the house also always wins. So it's like casino, and the house always wins. So when then people lose a lot of money in leverage trading, and then the people who lost the money, those money will go to the stakers of the GMX token and the GLP token. So basically, you make money by when someone else loses money in a stupid leverage trading. So I sold the token because I don't that doesn't fit my investment thesis. I don't want other people to lose for me to make money. I think that's not it's called parody. What is it's I can't remember it, but it's like how to say it, but it's parody. I can't remember the name in English. But anyway, so you want to always invest something that is win-win-win situation, in my opinion, because then the long term, for example, Ethereum is a win-win-win. Everybody wins and that. So I like to invest in those kind of here. But this is win-lose. Okay, so the stakers win and the protocol wins, but the users actually lose. Okay, so I don't like that. Anyway, so that was a quick thing here. So this is a great website. I look almost daily, and then DeFi Llama is a great website. So you can see the total value locked here. So you can see tons of blue chip, protocols here. I'm invested in most of them, and so you can see here that's TVL. Some of these protocols is massive. For example, MakerDAO has 13.16. 13% of all the TVL locked on Ethereum is MakerDAO, which is massive. A lot of people are sleeping on that one. So yeah, like you can see, even though the prices are going down a little bit here, the TVL is holding up. Okay, and so yeah, and let's look at the Avalanche. It's 2 billion right now. It's also holding up very well, and so I'm not invested in Solana because Solana is trying to scale. It's trying to scale layer one. It's trying to scale horizontally. Which means that they're trying to scale the layer one. But if you look at what Ethereum just focuses on layer one, and then it like outsources everybody else to create the layer two scaling solutions. Like think how smart that is, because now all these other people are creating the scaling solutions for Ethereum, not Ethereum. Ethereum is just focusing to become the layer one. That's a boss move. I mean, that's a boss move. So yeah, with that being said, it's a lot of people don't understand that, and but I just want to share it with you here. And so let's look at, so this is a great website, gogustats.xiz. Okay, so you can see here daily transactions. So Solana has the biggest transaction because it's the cheapest one, but I think that the value of those transactions are not that huge because you can see the TVL. So you can see the second one is Ethereum, then we have Polygon, Avalanche, and so these are daily active addresses. There's tons of people using Solana, but I don't know about that one though. So yeah, you can see here daily transaction. So Polygon, it's scaling Ethereum, then Near network is here. So Near, I'm not invested in Near. It's just something that I'm not interested in. You can see the TVL is it's like 300 million only. So yeah, so they have actually, wow, they have uploaded tons of here. They have Optimism here also. Wow, I need to dig deeper on this data here. But I just wanted to create this quick video here. So you can see the TVL has just massive, just, increased. So Osmosis also, this is a DEX on Cosmos. I made some money with Osmosis. So TVL has dropped quite a bit, but still holding up very well. So Cosmos Hub is also here. This is interesting. Okay, so we can see daily active addresses is like 16k, which is pretty good, but at the same time it's pretty low, daily transaction. And look at here, the TVL has been complete, like it has just, wow. Okay, Binance Smart Chain is also here. Let's look at this one. This is a centralized chain. So there's almost 800k daily active addresses, transactions per day 3 million, which is pretty good, and TVL has been holding very well. Okay, but I'm not invested in the Binance Smart Chain. Solana, then we have Flow, and so this has been actually going up a little bit. Then we have Near here. You can see the TVL has been increasing. I will keep my eyes on this one, but so far it's not in my investment portfolio. Let's see what's happening. Is there any new Dune analytics queries here? let's see if we have some of here. We actually Coinbase NFT sales and stats. This is interesting. They launched the NFT sales, but I don't know if I so the NFTs are basically very I think that we are going to have a crazy NFT crash, and I'm going to buy some blue chip NFTs. Okay, there I said it. Okay, so I'm holding cash to buy some blue chip NFTs. I believe NFTs will just totally crash, and like crazy 90% crash, and then I buy the blue chip ones. When other people are like, oh, NFTs are dead, I will buy them. Okay, so that's my point here. Anyway, so not so interested about Coinbase NFTs. Let's look at layer 2. So these are layer L2beat.com. Arbitrum still biggest total value locked, and Optimism. Then we have DX and Loopring. Medis is also here with one. ZK Sync is one of them looking at, and also ZK. So Polygon Hermes is also here. Nothing much happening there. So Arbitrum and Optimism are leading the way. And if you look at Maker Burn, total DAI is right now 6.7 billion. It's been going down a little bit here, which is good, because we are in the bear market, right? So let me see here. So the real world assets, so I like to see this one. I want to see it go up more. The real assets backing. Yeah, so I think, but overall, I think the markets are still going to go down. I think the bear market is going to continue. And, I'm dollar cost averaging in. And, I'm buying this month's batch of cryptocurrencies, probably, tomorrow or something like that. Let's see. So today's Saturday. So maybe, I'm waiting for that kind of like a doom gloom crash. And I would like to buy there. But I think that the prices are going to go down no matter what. Okay, so hey, if you want to see my portfolio, check out or if you want to see the bear market millionaire kit, where I go over my kind of like my investment thesis, or just if you want to jump out and see my portfolio, check out the golden portfolio membership premium, wolflopez.com. Okay, so this was a quick video I wanted to record here in the Saturday morning here. I hope this helped you. I hope you learned some things here, and hey, you're in the right direction, you're in the right tracks, like Ethereum and just like cryptocurrencies in general. I mean, it's going to grow so much, so keep at it, stay consistent, stay committed, stay patient, and in the next bull run the rewards will be massive. Thank you so much for watching. See you inside the memberships, wolflopez.com, and peace out.